Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Supreme Nige here, back at it with a brand new unboxing video. So today we finally got our final packages from our week 1 orders. We have a skate deck today, and then we also are going to be unboxing the whole huge bag cart that I was managed to get in my live cop. If you guys want to check out my live cop where I spent a massive $800 on my first live cop here on my channel, I'll link that here up in the corner if you guys want to check that out. But anyways, I'm gonna get started on with the unboxing here, and then I'm gonna be putting on these free gift gloves here, just, you know, safety first because of coronavirus and shit. But I'm gonna be putting these on before the unboxing here, and these actually surprisingly fit my hands like perfectly because I have like really big hands, but these actually surprisingly fit my hands pretty well. I know these are normally probably like gardening gloves, but I'm just gonna be using them as unboxing gloves here. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the skate deck I managed to get on a restock here. So use my scissors to get this guy open. I'm gonna try not to damage the box too much because I like to reuse them in case I want to ever resell. All right, let's see what we got in here. Voila. Boom. This is the balloon skateboard in black right here. Probably gonna put this back up in the back over there probably, and for now. Yeah, that's good. All right, I think that's probably a good spot for now. Back there. You get any other stickers with this? That's it. Only 2 box logos, including the one that's in there. Wow, Supreme. Not cool, man. Not cool. Anyways, we're gonna hop on to the bags here. If I remember correctly, I think I got 4 bags in all. I did not pick up the backpack. I mean, I did pick up the backpack. I did not pick up a tote or a small duffel bag. I might get those down the line later if they restock. Let's get this open. So right off the top, we do have another one of these free gifts that I'm wearing right now. And then our sticker pack, still no camo box logo, but we did get the tire one, and then we got a jet sticker as well in that one. All right, so first bag I did get, it's actually not a bag, but it's the neck pouch in black. These are all gonna be in the corduroy fabric, nice high quality fabric and that. I probably won't be undsing any of these today, unfortunately, because I am probably going to be holding on to these for quite some time just in case I want to sell them. But this one is the sling bag in the olive colorway. I do like this piece actually pretty a lot. I might actually keep this one just to keep my like accessories and camera stuff with it in it or whatever. Next bag I do believe has a lot of potential, and I do like the size on this. This waist bag is a lot better size than last year's waist bag. This one is in the dark red colorway, or bright red, or whatever it's called. No, dark red, yeah. So if you guys were able to get any of these bags that I am going to be showing off, you're definitely going to have to be holding on to them for a while in order to make some decent profit. And then the last and final bag that I did get is the backpack here in the olive colorway. I'm going to be holding on to this to see how high it can climb in its price. Probably maybe another year or half a year or so. I'll see. But anyways, that is all the bags that I did get on my week 1 order. I might end up picking up the tote bag and the small duffel bag later more down the line. We'll see. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the short video. That is going to be all for this unboxing. Stay tuned for my drop list video that is going to be coming up in the next couple days whenever they drop the drop list. And then stay tuned for the live cop. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And also, please subscribe to the channel for more Supreme content like this. That would be much appreciated. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.